Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can activate Siri on any iPhone device. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes and write your comments. And let's get started. So, first of all, we will need to go into the phone settings. Then we're going to scroll down and we're going to find the Siri section. And now, if you have Siri disabled, it will write "Listen for," and we will need to activate it. Now, in order to activate it, we have to say some phrases that Siri asks us to say. For example, hello. Let's do it again. Hello Siri, what's the weather like today? Hi Siri, send a message. Hi Siri, set the timer for 3 minutes. Hello Siri, put a route home. Hey Siri, turn on the music. And then we press done. And now, as you can see, the Hello Siri function is enabled. After that, you can give her a command at any time. To do this, you just need to say what you want. For example, hey, Siri, open Notes. Or we can say it in a different way. Hey Siri, show me the weather. This is how you can activate the Hey Siri feature on absolutely any iPhone device to make it easier to use your phone in the future. I hope you found this video and information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also put your likes, write your comments, and see you next time.